Yes, Super Round continues at AAMI Park. Next up, it is the Melbourne Rebels hosting the Hurricanes. Going to the front, finds Canham. An athletic young lock pulls it down, and they set up strongly again. Hurricanes did a good job of defending the Reds rolling more last week. Good meters though now for the Rebels. Murphy peels away. Murphy strong towards the line. He's over. Hasn't got it down. There for Wilkin. Wilkin burrows through and Wilkin scores.
Well, that's a bit of a statement early on from the Melbourne Rebels. 3 minutes in, first try against the favourites, the Hurricanes.
Advantage.
Good pressure as well. Artie Sever controlling it beautifully. The back and powers his way over and gets it down, does he? With a second go. He looks confident.
Yeah, I have no clear evidence to overturn your decision. So on-field try.
Yep. Try's good.
Barrett tries to pull it back in and does a great job of converting. It's 7-7. Sevilla screen runs and that creates some space for Roigard. Roigard staying alive and popping beautifully for Sevilla. Barrett, Geordie Barrett, Morgan on the angle. Infield now and gets sandwiched in a big tackle. Still with the Hurricanes. Sevilla looking for his second. And it's Artie. And in goes Roigard with the feet. Sevilla goes himself, Artie. Sevilla now away for Morby. 2 tries in a try assist for the captain, and it is Morby.
It's a lovely set-piece play from the Hurricanes. And then it's a decoy play because you think that Geordie Barrett's going to pick up the play.
Come now.
Working it short side. Lomax comes through. Look at the giant arms of Lomax trying to choke down on the back of this small. And I think Larrons will have the weight. He won't. That's poor from the Rebels. And brilliant from the Hurricanes.
Don't run in. Don't run in. So what's happened is we have 2 and 4 who are push and shove. You've then re-escalated it by grabbing somebody and throwing them to the ground. And penalty, yellow card, Artie. Back up. Time's not on.
Ooh, Artie. 10 minutes in the bin.
Wow.
You just got to walk, Artie.
Murphy, a little bit more momentum this time round. It's fractured, those in a touch. And again, the gold wall aims up. And there's more carry on.
Walk away.
It is the Hurricanes leading the Rebels 24 points to 7. Roigard, back for Wakaliawere. The phases just keep coming here for the Canes. Almua spinning and held up.
Held up, goal line dropout.
Not many.
Injury. Okay. All right. Time's off. TMO. Check. Just responding to your TMO. Check.
Just getting a check in here through the TMO. Muffaleo.
Yeah, Muffaleo just come on.
We have clear head contact there. Okay, so it clearly reaches yellow card threshold then.
Correct.
Okay, back to me, mate. Yeah. Yellow card, head contact, report, review.
Gordon runs it in behind Monty Ioane. Anderson will beat them all.
That's the start the Rebels needed in the second half. It took 5.5 minutes. And Carter Gordon flattened the attack up.
Ollie, obviously give you time to confirm that.
Anderson, he's so quick on that left wing.
Okay, so time's off. I'll just explain this to Artie. Just the off-field review. The off-field review for the high contact has been upgraded to a red because the players come in with a tucked arm and it's made direct contact. Okay, so it's upgraded. It's upgraded to that 20-minute red card.
Oh yes, so we.
Yeah, play on. Got to his feet now. Release 17.
Booth looks up. There's no one in behind. Booth holding his feet well and now firing away for Barrett. In turn for Rayasi. Superhero-like in Super Round.
Oh, it's a finish that deserved from the play. It was a wonderful piece of play from the Hurricanes. They're starting to win the contacts.
The score here. Tuttle feeds. Hardwick controls it well at the back. Hardwick, this time around, they won't stop him. Good weight from the Canes. The Rebels keep their shape though. Hardwick goes through! Hardwick scores! It's about to be a one-point game. Hardwick throws the Rebels on his back and puts them within a single point. The Hurricanes steal it away now for Booth. On they come. Delaney wide. Barrett, Johnny Barrett, who else?
The Hurricanes, they always know at the end of the match just one little steal, one little turnover.
Drive through here, the strike is spot on from the Canes, and they will survive. In a thriller at AAMI Park, full time, the Hurricanes 39 defeat Melbourne 33.